I'm going to tell you about the inside of my favorite sandwich in Rome where I lived for years. So I lived right near the Campo di Fiori market, and on the corner there was a forno, a bakery, and I would get a big piece, well, not that big, but like a medium-sized piece of focaccia, which in Rome they call a pizza bianca, and I would bring this hot focaccia over to the cart where this old lady would sell cheeses and charcuterie. And she would slice open the focaccia and she would put in Bresaola and a sheep's milk cheese. And then I would take it over to a vegetable vendor, and take a handful of arugula, pay for a handful of arugula, and put that into my sandwich. So this is my no carb version, which is fantastic as a really easy but elegant appetizer, and is actually super awesome as a snack for when you have the munchies. And it's so easy to make that literally if like a team of zombies came and took over your brain, you would still be able to make this, which is sort of the feeling that you might have when you have the munchies. So let's do it. Here's Bresaola. Bresaola is a cured beef. So it's like a prosciutto, but it's leaner and it's made from beef. And then you're gonna take like a piece of a sheep's milk cheese, which in this case is a manchego, which is a Spanish sheep's milk cheese. So let me just show you how to cut the cheese really quickly. You're just gonna take a thin slice and then you are going to slice it the other way, really thin. You know, the cheese is salty and the Bresaola is salty, so you really don't need a ton of it. But it is going to add a creaminess, and then you just cut off the peel, and let's say there, okay? And we're doing it on the short end of the Bresaola, and then we're going to add some arugula, and the spiciness of the arugula is sort of going to combat the saltiness of the Bresaola and the cheese. So I get my Bresaola, at Italy or a local Italian market. They even sometimes have it at Trader Joe's. You can get it online. So look what I'm doing. I'm just rolling it up, okay? Like a cigar. And just roll it up, roll it up, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. And then you could just like place them all on a cutting board like that. See, there's more. I can do one more for you if you want to, just so you could see how pretty it is. And just stick the arugula in there and just roll it on up. And you could stack them even too. So cute. So now we have to figure out, if it's good or not, if it's poison. There's only one way to find out if it's not poison, and that is to eat it. It's delicious. Try it. You'll love it. I call them Bresaola bites.